Hi everyone, this is Datta Kumar from Genius Education channel. Now I am going to say the topic called earthquake. What causes an earthquake? Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or a trembling of an earth shaking for a very short period of time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. Some mythical folk stories told that earth is balanced on the horn of a bull, and when the bull shifts it is on the other horn, an earthquake takes place. How could it be true? Earthquakes occur all the time all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes they are much less frequent. They can cause immense damage to buildings, bridges, dams and people. There can be a great loss to life and property. The earthquakes can cause floods, landslides and tsunamis. A major tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean in 26th December 2004, and all the coastal areas around the ocean suffered losses. A major earthquake occurred in India in 8th October 2005. 8th October 2005 in Uri towns of North Kashmir. Before that, a major earthquake occurred on 26th January 2001. 26th January 2001 in Gujarat. What causes an earthquake? In ancient times, people did not know the true cause of earthquakes. Their ideas were therefore expressed in mythical folk stories. Similar myths were prevalent in other parts of the body. Now we know that the tremors are caused due to the disturbance of deep down inside the portion of uppermost layer of the earth. This uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. Let us imagine this is the earth. This is a crust. This is mantle, inner core, and outer core. The outermost layer of the earth is not in one piece. It is fragmented. Each fragment is called plate. These plates are in continuous motion. When they brush past on one another, or a plate goes under another plate due to the collision, they cause disturbances in the earth crust. See the pictures here screen that two lands is moving when earthquake occurs. It is a disturbances that shows up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movements of earth's plates. Since earthquakes are caused by the movements of the plates, the places at the boundaries of the plates are considered as weak zones where earthquakes are more likely to occur. See the picture. The weak zones are also known as seismic or fault zones. In India, the areas most threatened are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northern East, Run of Kutch, Rajasthan and Indo-Gangetic Plains. Some of the areas of the southern India also fall in the dangers as shown in the figure. Seismographs used to main two divisions to measure an earthquake, a seismograph and a seismoscope. Seismograph, seismoscope. Seismograph and seismoscope. The seismograph is an instrument which used to measure the seismic waves caused by an earthquake. The seismoscope is an instrument that measures the occurrence of the time of an occurrence of an earthquake. Unlike other measuring devices, the seismoscope is a simple device that can be used without any technical background. The power of an earthquake is expressed in the terms of magnitude on the Richter scale. On Richter scale. The destructive earthquakes have magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Both Baj and Kashmir earthquakes have magnitude greater than 7.5. Although we know that sure what causes an earthquake, it is not yet possible to predict when and where the next earthquake might occur. Tremors on the Earth can be caused by a volcano erupts, or a meteor hits the Earth, or an undergoes the nuclear explosion takes place. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the Earth. See the picture carefully. These are called seismic waves. The waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. See the picture carefully that how seismograph measures the earthquake. The instrument is simply a vibrating or rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating stem. The pen records the seismic waves on paper which moves under it. By studying these waves, scientists can these can be estimated its power cause destruction. Like many other scales, Richter scale is not linear. This means that an earthquake of a magnitude 6 does not have 1.5 times the destructive energy of an earthquake of magnitude 4. In fact, of increase of 2 in magnitude means 1000 times more destructive energy. For example, an earthquake of a magnitude 6 has 1000 times more destructive energy than earthquake of magnitude 4. There is another method of measuring the intensity of an earthquake using the moment magnitude scale, which is based on the amount of displacement that occur along a fault zone rather than the measurement of the ground motion at a given point. The moment magnitude measures the energy released by the earthquake more accurately than Richter scale. It is only the magnitude scale that accurately measures the size of the large earthquakes. See the table carefully that Richter scale reading and effects of flood. Now let us discuss the effects of the earthquake on the Richter magnitude, the scale, and earthquake effects. If earthquakes occurs less than 3.5 in the Richter scale magnitude, the destructions are generally it will be not felt but recorded by the seismograph. Next, Richter scale magnitude at 3.5 to 5.4. 3.5 to 5.4. 3.5 to 5.4. Often felt but rarely causes damage. 5.5 to 6.0. That affects is at most slight damage to well designed buildings. Can cause major damage to poorly constructed buildings over small regions, etc. If a Richter scale measures at 6.1 to 6.9, then the effects are can be destructive in areas up to 100 kilometers across the way people live. Next, 7.0 to 7.9 is a very large destruction over occurs. 7.0 to 7.9 major earthquake can cause serious damage over a large areas. Next, it is very destructive in all the areas 8 or greater than 8. That means 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 like that. Greater earthquake can cause serious damage in areas several hundred kilometers across. No place this 8 or greater than 8 not came in any places. Only 7.0 to 7.9 only between this only all the in all the places some places are came this earthquake. Let us discuss the protection from the protecting from earthquake. Let us discuss the topic how we protect ourselves from the earthquake. Generally, we know that from the earlier pages that earthquakes cannot be predicted. We have also seen that they may be highly destructive. It is therefore important that we take necessary precautions to protect ourselves from all the time. People living in the seismic zones where the earthquakes are more likely to occur have to specially prepare. First of all, the buildings in these zones should be designed so that they cannot be stand majorly tremors. Here, tremors means standing properly. Modern building technology can make it is possible. It is advisable to make the structure simple that is quake safe. Quake safe. Modern building technology can make it is possible. It is available to make the structure simple, so it is called quake safe. Now let us discuss how we can protect ourselves from the earthquake. construct qualified architects and structural and engineers. In highly seismic areas, the use of mud or timber is better than the heavy construction material. Keep roofs as light as possible. In case the structure falls, damage will be not heavy. It is better the cupboard and shelves are fixed to the falls so they did not fall easily. It is better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed on the wall so they do not fall easily. Be careful where you hang wall clocks, photo frames, water heaters, etc. so that in the event of the earthquake they do not fall on people. Since some buildings may catch fire due to the earthquake, it is necessary that all the buildings, especially not building, have firefighting equipment in the working order. The Central Building Research Institute. Central Building Research Institute, CBRI. CBRI. The Central Building Research Institute Roker have they developed to make a quaff roof houses. In the event that an earthquake does strike, take the following steps to protect yourself. In the if you are inside the home, take shelter under a table and stay there till shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are outside the home, follow the protection to protect ourselves from the earthquakes. Find a clear spot away from the buildings, trees, and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. Now let us discuss the earthquakes in Andhra Pradesh. According to the seismic hazard map, Andhra Pradesh lies in the zones 2 and zone 3. Zone 2 and zone 3. Andhra Pradesh lies in Zone 2 and Zone 3. The southeastern districts of Chittoor, Vayasa, Kadapa, Nellore, Krishna, Prakasam, and Guntur Delta region have been placed in the Zone 3. And the city of Hyderabad lies in the Zone 2. That's it about earthquake. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Please subscribe to our channel, Genius Digital channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Genius Digital channel. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, Genius Digital channel. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.